Hello Bladers. We continue to place top priority on the health and well-being of the people in this pandemic. As COVID-19 situation continues to stretch out, every driver should follow these few steps to avoid getting infected and lessen the risk to contaminate the virus in and out of their cars. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are some tips for car drivers to deal with during the COVID-19. Number 1. Avoid carpooling. Carpooling is in the number 1 spot since it has lots of benefits and it is the cheaper alternative. However, it is not advisable in today's time to carpool. If your usual passengers have their own cars, then it's better for them to drive it, at least for now. For sure they would understand. Number 2. Wash your hands frequently. If you treat your car like your baby, then you wouldn't want to touch it with dirty hands. Before hitting the road, consider washing your hands with soap and water or use alcohol because it kills viruses. Or even yet, always have rubbing alcohol inside your car. Number 3. Don't drive while sick. No matter how much you are itching to leave your home, it is better to use your sick leaves rather than risking yourself on the road. Stay at home, quarantine yourself, and if that is not enough, then attend to your local health facilities. Driving sick is a risk already, how much more if you're infected by the virus? Number 4. Clean your car. Clean your car, especially the interiors and door handles, since this is the area that is usually the first in contact with the virus. While cleaning, consider using gloves, for it can help prevent the spread of the virus. Number 5. Don't leave any trash in the car. Leaving trash inside the car increases the chance of the virus spreading inside. What's worse is if you drive the same car every single day. So, keep your car interior clean. Number 6. Cover your car. Not everyone in the Philippines is privileged enough to have a parking space. So just cover your cars when it is parked outside or on the street. People passing by may unintentionally touch your car. Just hope that people won't touch your door handles. Number 7. Use face mask. If you'll go outside, you will notice that some people are wearing face masks inside their car. You may get weirded out at first, but it makes a lot of sense. Coughing, sneezing, and a droplet of your saliva can instantly spread the virus inside your car. Number 8. Put rubbing alcohol and tissues inside your car. This may be the best piece of advice for all drivers out there. Keep at least one alcohol and tissue inside your car. Use it as you enter and leave the car or any time you wish to do so. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.